In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in your Squarespace store. Managing inventory effectively can help streamline your business operations and keep everything up to date, ensuring that your customers have a seamless shopping experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. This homepage serves as your main hub, providing easy access to all the features and settings you need to manage your online store. From here, your focus will be on the Products and Services section. Once you locate this section, go ahead and click on it. This area contains all your vital inventory information. After entering the Products and Services section, you'll then want to select Products. Clicking here will present you with a comprehensive list of all the items you currently have listed for sale. This list acts as your inventory dashboard, and from this view, you can manage each of your products individually. Next, choose a specific product from your list to view its details or make any necessary changes. This selection step is crucial as it allows you to access all aspects of a product's profile, from stock levels and pricing to descriptions and categories. Managing each detail effectively ensures that your product listings are accurate and appealing to potential customers. If you find yourself needing to analyze or save your inventory data, look for the Export button. Clicking this button will allow you to download your inventory information, which can then be opened in software like Excel for a closer look at sales trends, stock levels, and more. Exporting your data is a powerful tool for keeping track of how your business is performing. On the note of making changes, if you need to edit a product, simply choose the product you'd like to modify, click on the three dots next to it, and select Edit. This will open up all the editable fields related to that product. Whether you want to update the price, modify the description, or adjust the stock, this editing interface gives you full control over your listings. And lastly, if you ever need to remove a product from your store, the process is straightforward. Click the three dots next to the item you wish to delete, and then select Delete. Squarespace will prompt you to confirm this action to prevent any accidental removals, ensuring that changes to your inventory are intentional. And there you have it, a rundown on managing your inventory in Squarespace. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep your stock organized, your listings accurate, and your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.